Are you looking for the top 5 best budget above ground pools? Which budget above ground pool is actually worth it? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Cello Tots Inflatable Family Pool. First up is the Cello Tots Inflatable Pool, measuring 120 inches by 72 inches and priced at just $69.98. What caught my eye was its family-size capacity, making it perfect for summer gatherings. If you want an affordable way to keep the kids entertained, this is worth a serious look. This inflatable pool holds up to 312 liters of water, which means it can comfortably fit 2 adults and a handful of kids for some splashing fun. The thickness of the material is impressive, twice that of many competitors, reducing the risk of leaks and punctures that can ruin your pool party. Plus, it's made from BPA-free materials, so you can relax knowing it's safe for the kids. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's easy to set up and only takes a few minutes of inflation. The built-in drainage system simplifies cleanup, so you can enjoy more time swimming and less time fussing over logistics. Now, some people complained about the pool not being sturdy enough for rough play. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for kids and supervision is in play, it'll hold up just fine. But if you're expecting rowdy adult parties, you might want a more durable option. This is perfect for you if you have young kids looking for summer fun without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're planning on heavy adult use, as it's designed mainly for kids. At this price, it's a solid investment in summer joy. Now, if the durability issue of the Cello Tots pool bothered you, this next
Product number 2, Intex Metal Frame Pool. Next is the Intex Metal Frame 12-foot by 30-inch round above-ground pool set, priced at $111.63. The sturdy steel frame caught my attention, and honestly, if you're looking for a more permanent setup, this is worth a serious look. This pool boasts a capacity of 1,718 gallons, which means there's plenty of room for friends and family to cool off together. The fact that it's ready for water in just 30 minutes is a huge plus. Just spread it out, set up the frame, and you're good to go. The puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for summer fun. Here's why this matters for you. You won't need to worry about it wearing down quickly, and any small damages can be patched easily with the included kit. Now, some users mentioned that the setup could be a bit tricky if you're doing it solo. Here's my perspective. If you have a buddy help you, it's a breeze. But if you're a one-person show, be prepared to take your time. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a more durable option that can handle a lot of use. Skip this if you don't have enough yard space, as it requires a good amount of room. For the price and quality, it's a solid pick for summer gatherings. Alright, that was a solid.
Product number 3, Intex Prism Frame Pool. Coming in at $199.99 is the Intex 26711 EP 12 feet by 30-inch Prism Frame Premium Above Ground Pool Set. What stands out is its oversized metal tubing, giving it a more robust structure. If you're looking for strength and stability, this is worth a serious look. With a capacity of 1,718 gallons, it accommodates lots of swimmers comfortably. The innovative T-joint design means no tools are needed for assembly, and it can be ready in just 30 minutes. Made from puncture-resistant laminate material, this pool is built to last for multiple seasons, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear. Here's why this matters. It enhances your summer experience by providing a safe and reliable environment for you and your family to enjoy. However, some customers reported that the filter pump could be a bit noisy. Here's the thing. If you're looking for a peaceful backyard retreat, that could be an issue, but if you don't mind some background noise while you splash around, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy pool that can withstand more frequent use. Skip this if you're sensitive to noise or looking for something quieter. For the quality and capacity.
Product number 4, Bamali Extra Large Inflatable Pool. Next on our list is the Bamali Extra Large Inflatable Pool, priced at $109.99 and measuring 145 inches by 74 inches. Its size really caught my attention. It's spacious enough for the whole family. If you want room to move around and have fun, this is worth a serious look.
With a capacity of 635 gallons, this inflatable pool can have up to 10 people, making it perfect for family gatherings or summer parties. The robust design features 3 individual air chambers, ensuring stability and safety. The drain pipe is a real game changer. It allows for easy water removal without the hustle of lifting a heavy pool. Here's why this matters for you. It's designed for longevity and makes cleanup quick and easy, so you get more enjoyment from your pool. Now, some users noted that it could take longer to inflate than expected. Here's my take. While it may take a bit more time, the effort is worth it for the size and fun you'll get. This is perfect for you if you have a large family or love hosting friends. Skip this if you're short on space, as you'll need a good area to set it up. For the price, it delivers fantastic value for summer entertainment. All right, if the inflating
Product number 5, Intex Prism Frame Pool Set. Last but not least is the Intex Prism Frame 10-foot by 30-inch round above ground pool set, priced at $137.69. The compact size caught my interest, making it a great fit for smaller backyards. If you need something that won't take over your space, this is worth a serious look. This pool can hold up to 1,185 gallons, which is enough for a fun day in the sun without overwhelming your yard. It's easy to assemble in just 30 minutes, and the super tough puncture-resistant material ensures that it holds up well over time. The hydro aeration technology in the filter pump helps keep the water clear, an important feature for maintenance. Here's why this matters. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your pool. However, some customers mentioned that the included pump doesn't filter as well as they hoped. Here's the thing, as long as you're prepared to invest in a better pump down the line, it's not a major drawback. This is perfect for you if you have limited yard space but still want to enjoy a pool. Skip this if you need something larger or plan heavy use. For the price and features, it's a good option to consider. So there you have it, these 5 budget.
In summary, we covered the Cello Tots inflatable pool for budget-friendly fun, the sturdy Intex metal frame pool for durability, the robust Intex Prism frame for premium quality, the spacious Bamali inflatable pool for families, and finally, the compact Intex Prism frame pool for smaller spaces. Each has its own strengths, so consider what matters most to you this summer.